how much are we expecting to pay here?
I think एक सेमेस्टर की फी अप्रोक्सीमेटली 7,000 यूरोज होती है.
The reality, I got a comment which I showed you as well. कि कोई जॉब नहीं है, ब्लड बाथ चल रहा है, यूरोप खत्म हो चुका है. What are you saying?
डेनिश नहीं बोलोगे तो काफी जॉब्स नहीं मिलेगी. दैट इज ट्रू.
Okay.
कोई जॉब नहीं मिलेगी इज नॉट ट्रू. रुपी तो हर दिन गिरता जा रहा है. जब मैं आई थी तब 9 था, 15 है ऑलमोस्ट.
So you get a 5-year visa. Is 5 years में you have to look for a permanent sponsored job.
I don't need to look for a sponsor. There's no sponsorship. Whenever you do a bachelor's in a certain university here, you already get a spot in the master's.
But तुम यहाँ पे 6 लाख रुपए कमा भी रहे हो.
तो
कॉफी 750 रुपए की है. 4500 का हेयर कट. If you have to rank it out of 10, your decision to move to Denmark. Very honestly.
Hey guys, welcome back to Marathon Run, and in today's video I have Pallavi with me. She's my elder sister's friend and a sister to me as well, and I've known her since ages now. And in today's video we're going to talk about Denmark. Whether you should study in Denmark, what all should you know, cost of studying in Denmark, money that you made in Denmark, life that you live in Denmark, everything. Such videos are very hard to find on the internet, so it takes a lot of efforts to record such videos. I had to fly to Denmark to record this video. So if you're interested in more such videos, hit the subscribe button, because otherwise I might lose my motivation to make such videos. And yeah, might as well just stop creating content one day. So please hit the subscribe button if this was useful.
Hey guys, welcome back to Marathon Run, and in today's video I have Pallavi with me, who I have known since past 6 years now.
10 dude.
10 हो गए होंगे. Wow, 10 years, and she is studying here in Denmark. Now I've been here since a week, and I've realized this is one of the best places to study abroad. Hey, I'm not exaggerating this for the sake of it. Once you watch this video, you'll realize that it is an insanely good option that not a lot of students know about. But me and Pallavi were talking since a really long time today as well, and we discussed that maybe it's not for everyone. So in this video, we're going to talk about who is it for, who should come here, who should not come here, and yeah, tell us more about your
क्या क्या कर
experience.
सकते हो आप?
Tell us more about your experience.
My experience. So I've been here for 2 years now, and I'm studying something called Strategic Design and Entrepreneurship at the Royal Danish Academy, which is an art and architecture school. So all the STEM people,
It is good for STEM and non-STEM.
non-STEM for sure.
Okay, let's break it down. एक एक करके बात करते हैं. Let's first talk about खर्चा. How much are we expecting to pay here?
खर्चा. I think एक सेमेस्टर की फी अप्रोक्सीमेटली 7,000 यूरोज होती है.
That is for your college, but then other colleges के लिए there are some colleges जहाँ पे 5,000 euro की
5,000
fees
भी हो
होती है.
सकती है. Yeah, like Copenhagen University and all of that. That social sciences में might be less. DTU I know might be even less.
Even lesser than
Yeah.
that. And then there are scholarships which you get automatically.
Yeah.
You get a chance to get those scholarships automatically, but I feel like in your course it's hard to get by.
No, not really in arts. For non-EU people.
For non-EU.
Yeah.
EU students के लिए everyone gets paid. They get SU.
Not everyone gets paid. Danish students go, they get paid.
All the
not
Danish
all
students get paid.
Yeah, and then
तकरीबन 1,60,000 रुपए. No,
8 lakhs. 8,000
8,000
krona, sorry.
that's 1,20,000 rupees per month. Every Danish student gets paid.
Yes, and then for EU students, it's like you have to work 12 hours per month.
And then you get paid.
Sorry, 12
back.
hours a week. Oh my god, I'm sorry.
12 hours a week. Then you get
paid. The SU.
1,20,000 रुपए plus whatever you make in your
Yeah,
job.
Exactly.
But international students के लिए वैसा नहीं होता है. International students have to pay their fees.
Exactly.
But there
Which
are
is
actually
common for almost a lot of like
almost every country.
everywhere.
Every
yeah,
country.
Which is
in the
not a
world.
new news for
But the
anyone
tuition
out there.
fees is comparatively very less.
That is true.
But if you compare
super
it to a British university where you're paying 20 lakh rupees, 30 lakh rupees for a year, यहाँ पे you're paying 5 lakh rupees per semester. And that too, you don't have to put all the money up front.
Nope, you don't.
Interesting. इसके अलावा living expenses के खर्चे?
Living depends in which city you're living in. I live in Copenhagen. It can obviously range depending on आपकी जो भी spending habits हैं उसके ऊपर, from a lakh to 1 lakh 20 or 50.
1,50,000.
50,000. Yeah, it totally depends on you. You can get into
But 1,50,000 is like 10,000 Danish kroner
it reaches.
for the entire month.
Yeah, with
All the expenses.
Yeah, with the rent.
With rent.
With rent and everything.
But I was in Aarhus before this, and I was talking to a student there. It can go down to 60,000-70,000 rupees as well per month. Living expenses, but like that's अगर तुम एकदम budget बंद करके चल रहे हो.
एकदम बजट बंद करके चलोगे then it can कोपेनहेगन में थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाता है because
Rent is
travel and rent is higher, travel is higher. Obviously, you want to have a social life as well, so that will be expensive. So I think बहुत कम से कम तुम 7,000 to 8,000 krona मान लो, पर उससे कम नहीं. मतलब then you will be literally
7,000 would be 1 lakh रुपए per month.
like it would be too
पार्ट
much.
टाइम के बारे में बात करते हैं. What's the reality? I got a comment which I showed you as well. कि कोई जॉब नहीं है, क्लाइंट बहुत चल रहा है, यूरोप खत्म हो चुका है. What are you saying? Every student that I'm talking to has a job. So
Yeah,
what's the reality? If there is a person who is commenting who is saying कि कुछ भी नहीं है, दुनिया खत्म है यूरोप में.
But I think like उसका point of view काफी like sad है और काफी depressing है, and I don't agree with it. Obviously it is going to be tough. Like imagine अगर आप कहीं पे बड़े हुए हो, born हुए हो, बड़े हुए हो, तो obviously आपके लिए opportunities अलग होती हैं. And if you enter a job market which is totally new, then obviously it looks different. But most of the international friends I have a job. But depend करता है कि आपको service industry में काम करना है कि नहीं करना है. You, if you're like someone who's like,
Let's break it down ऐसे. Is there any student who you know who is looking for jobs and does not have a job?
no.
Like कोई भी.
No. If you want to have a job, irrespective of whether it is, people have a job.
But I think this good jobs like desk jobs would be hard to
Like a-
service jobs would be
Agar,
easy.
obviously, because it's like a lot of, you already know, like just, there are so many like tourist people that are coming. They have like so many places that you can eat out. So obviously, उसकी ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है.
So getting a job there is easier.
Easier,
but
yeah. You can do that. You can, and it's not that that is a job that you have to do for the rest of your 2 years. That is the job that you first start when you come in. जब आपके पास कोई contacts नहीं है, कोई social system नहीं है यहाँ पे.
And then you move on and
Then
get
you
a
can
good
move
job.
on. It's not the end all.
But
be all.
I've heard the salaries in both the places are very similar.
Yes, it is. Exactly. It's like service industry में actually ज़्यादा पैसा है as compared to
Service, when you say service industry, you mean
Mean
basically
it's
Burger
burger.
King,
Burger King हो गया,
McDonald's.
McDonald's, hostels, hotels, receptionist.
How much does a student usually get here per month? Or let's say per hour.
Per hour is like from 135 to 145. That is basic.
135 krona to 145. Okay, so krona is somewhere around 15 rupees abhi ke liye. So if we assume 140, 20 hours काम करते हैं
20 is the maximum that you can do. Yeah,
a week.
a week.
So
90 an hour. तो थोड़ा सा 22 हो सकता है, 21 हो सकता
तो 150 लगा के चल 90. What did he say? 90?
है. 90 an hour, 90 in a month.
90 hours in a month. तो अगर 150 लगा के चले 150 into 90 that is 13,500 krona.
Yeah.
But इसमें टैक्सेस कटने के बाद कितना बचता होगा?
Taxes के बाद मुझे नहीं पता है math. मुझे नहीं पता है.
Well, like 50% taxes.
50% tax है.
8,000 तक बच जा. Like you get 8,000 per.
I would say 9. Yeah.
Okay, 9,000.
Plus holiday pay.
Holiday pay अभी के लिए holiday pay भी एक concept है. Let's not talk about that.
Oh, yeah,
9,000.
idiot.
So are you able to cover all your expenses
Yeah, and more.
and more?
Cover my expenses and my going out and like just buying good things for myself once in a while.
वो हो जाता है सारा इस.
वो हो जाता है.
How many hours do you work?
I only work 50 hours in a week.
So if you end up working 20 hours, do you think you will have
More. Obviously.
interesting? What a dumb question by me. अगर आप ज़्यादा काम करोगे तो we have more money.
But मुझे like I'm here to study like working. Obviously, the student job is not the end all for me. So I just do enough.
I think that's one thing students usually get wrong. They either go one or the other.
Yeah,
या तो बिल्कुल ही काम नहीं करेंगे
हाँ, या तो सिर्फ
काम करेंगे. They wouldn't focus on education at all.
I don't agree with it at all. Because I think जब आप इतना पैसा इन्वेस्ट करके आप अगर आए भी हो तो it is super important कि आप you study. Obviously you go to uni, that's definitely one thing. But you also need to build up, your social circle, friends. लोगों से बात भी करनी है. ये जो फ्यूचर जॉब्स ऐसे ही नहीं मिल जाएंगी, लेकिन उनसे नेटवर्क भी बनाना पड़ेगा.
This reminds me, a lot of students specifically on Danish topics usually say loneliness is a big problem here. It's hard to find people, which we talked about, hasn't been an issue for you. but you've also seen some people for whom it has been an issue.
Yeah. Yeah.
Why do you think that becomes an issue in general? Like, what do you think people are doing wrong?
See, when you're coming in a different country as an international, you have to be very okay with the fact that you're going to be the first, like you're going to be the one who's going to start most of the conversations. And sometimes people might not have the bandwidth to talk to you or would not like to add you to your social circle. And I think because for me, I also understand now why it is a bit different is because I studied design with architects and designer. We tend to be more open people as compared to finance people for like social science people. But I think one good thing about Copenhagen is that there are a lot of clubs, there are a lot of like sports clubs. You can join a badminton club, you can have a run club. So you will find your people based on the activities that you.
I also feel like you will find your people if you look for them.
Exactly. You have to look at the right places. If you're like अगर तुम university में हो तो तुम films देखना तुम्हें पता है film club जाओ ना मतलब talk to people.
Until you try, if
Exactly.
you're not trying, then कुछ नहीं होने वाला.
हाँ मतलब कोई तुम्हें see यहाँ पे people are very very sincere about like not disturbing anyone else's peace. तो कोई आपको आके नहीं करेगा कि हाँ हे हेलो सो नाइस टू सी यू नहीं आपको एक एफर्ट डालना पड़ेगा कि हे यार seen you around and maybe we share a like we go to the same class or the same uni, do you want to hang out, la la la. Just make that क्या होगा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ना ही बोल देंगे ना लोग.
The people usually when students come from India, they don't see it that way.
Because obviously हम बहुत ज़्यादा
Pampered environments are.
pampered and I get like everyone is anxious, everyone's figuring things out. तो हम अपनी anxiety में इतना ज़्यादा भूल जाते हैं ना कि like it's also like everyone's scared. Like a lot of these things do not come naturally to people, and I understand. You have to realize that this is like a long-term investment. It will work out.
One interesting comment. This reminds me of another interesting comment which said, "Danish नहीं बोलोगे तो कोई job नहीं मिलेगी."
Danish नहीं बोलोगे तो काफी jobs नहीं मिलेंगी. That is true.
Okay.
कोई job नहीं मिलेगी is not true. It's also like Copenhagen also has a big population of expats. अगर यही होता तो सब expats ही थे. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको job नहीं मिलेगी. It's just that maybe the job that you're looking for that would require Danish speakers. अगर तुम customer facing job कर रहे हो तो obviously
You would need
मतलब
Danish.
थोड़ा सा तो है ही ना. I would never apply for a job like that because मुझे पता है कि मुझे नहीं आती है.
जब आती नहीं है तो
हाँ.
how would you be a receptionist when you don't speak their language?
Like you can be a receptionist. That's the beautiful thing. क्योंकि hotels are for tourists. You always बोलते हैं. But like I can't be expected कि मैं inner Copenhagen या like outer Copenhagen के किसी shop पे I can sell stuff. Because वहाँ पे majority of the people will speak English. Center में maybe yeah I can because people speak English. And you already saw there are so many like internationals. Gasoline burger पे भी सारे internationals.
मुझे तो पता है मैं तो लोगों को बोल रहा हूँ आने को उसके बाद भी people have their
But
opinions.
it's like I get it कि you can be a bit skeptical about it, but downright negative होने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. No two people are going to have the same sort of experience.
No, the thing is
Like
online negativity is so much
easy भी है.
It's so easy to spread negativity. अभी के टाइम पे whenever I get these negative comments मेरा उनसे एक सवाल होता है which country has a good job market?
None.
I'm like तुम सब कुछ छोड़ो. डेनमार्क में खराब है, नॉर्वे में खराब है, यूके में तो खत्म हो गया है, यूएस में ट्रम्प जॉब्स नहीं दे रहा, कनाडा में जॉब्स नहीं बची. तुम एक कंट्री बता दो जहाँ पे जॉब्स है.
I don't know. I don't know.
I think negativity is very easy to spread.
Yeah. But अगर आपको करना है, if you want to make things happen for yourself, you have a goal, then definitely you will make things work. मतलब I get it कि सब this is also like sounding a bit too privileged, but ऐसा नहीं है. Like if you really want to get a couple of things, if you want a certain job, you will try to reach people in that company. You will try to read more about that company. You will look for.
But that would require efforts. People don't do efforts.
हाँ तो वो effort डाले बिना तो किसी को भी नहीं मिलता है. मतलब
अरे नहीं, that person, the commenter wants like उसके पास जॉब चल के आए.
तो फिर पापा का बिजनेस कर लेते हैं, पर उसमें भी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी.
पापा का business
फिर उसमें भी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी.
कुछ मतलब मेहनत किए बगैर पैसे कैसे कमा सकते हैं?
लैंडलॉर्ड बन जाओ.
उसके लिए भी पैसा होना चाहिए.
Like,
Okay,
I don't have it figured out. मेरे पास होता मैं यहाँ नहीं होती फिर.
okay, no, coming back. What do you think, if you had to say, don't come to Denmark, what would be your reasons? Give me 3. You said a lot of positives. हम लोगों ने सुबह से बात करी. We talked about a lot of positives. 3 reasons why you should not come here.
If you're someone who cannot bear cold.
Oh
Winter.
yeah, it is cold, and
It
this is summer right now. Look at me. 1, 2, 3. You're also layered up.
I just have a jacket and a top.
She actually told me she's layered up.
Yeah, and I have like a.
Okay, 3 layers. 3 layers तो
This
है.
is a banyan.
3 layers है.
Your 3 layers and my 3 layers are not the
And it
same.
is summer. अच्छा wait, it is summer.
But this is so nice.
It's so cold. It was 3-4 डिग्री अभी थोड़ी इस रात को.
नहीं 7 डिग्री था.
Sorry, 7 डिग्री था. That, you know, that's the coldest in Delhi.
That is not the coldest thing.
Well, 7 degree is cold in Delhi. 7 degree. Anyhow, okay.
तुम यूके में रहते थे.
Okay, so first thing is weather. Agreed.
Weather, हाँ, because काफी depressing हो जाते हैं. Winters काफी long हैं. They are very, yeah. Second thing, if you do not know how to cook, things are expensive.
That goes for any country.
Yeah, eating out is expensive, but I would just like stick it to the first one. Second is, if you're not someone who is ready to put themselves out in like uncomfortable positions,
I think then you should not move out of India.
yeah, I would suggest that. But that stands for Denmark as well. I think like UK and all में ये होता है कि तुम्हारे पास English है, and English like we're super accustomed to it. यहाँ पे एक third layer है, so you're just not like multilingual. You're also like you're beyond bilingual. You have to be multilingual.
Yeah.
Like I'm learning Danish. मेरे रोने निकल जाते हैं कभी-कभी.
Yeah.
Because your brain is just like at the end of it, like you're doing Hindi, you're doing English, and then you're on top of
And the
it.
language is also not easy. Language is really hard.
Yeah, the language is hard, but I think that's the best thing is that we all study together, and it, like all of the people,
All the courses in English.
all the courses in masters are, most of them are in English. Bachelors are
And
in
mostly in Danish.
because that's how it is. And there will hardly be any English bachelors. I don't think.
And Danish classes are for free.
Danish language classes.
Language
Yeah.
classes.
Yeah.
Third thing.
You need to be active. अगर साइकिल नहीं चलानी आती है तो सीख लो. बहुत ज़्यादा like dependency. Like everyone's always on a bike. If you're someone who's like been not really an active person, who will have to be an active person, and you'll have to be okay with it. Because ठीक है बाकी सब countries में you can take a bus. यहाँ पे भी तुम ले सकते हो, but you'll miss out on a lot of things because a lot of like people from your class or from your workplace, they will be like,
And cycling is common.
yeah, you have like I know a lot of people who wouldn't want to do it.
You know people who wouldn't want
To do it, yeah, but then it's like just ensure कि मतलब you're physically at a space, because I didn't bike for the first 1 year, and that was super isolating. That would definitely make you feel isolated.
because if you're not, you were not biking because of your feet.
Yeah, because I broke my ankle.
Other than that, what about the drinking culture?
It's actually pretty fine. I'm saying that while drinking. Cancel.
Not really.
और हमारे देश में कि बाहर जाके बियर पी shit. I would suggest कि तुम यहाँ
No,
पे.
that I don't have that audience.
I hope
I
not.
have educated audience.
Oh,
Educated audience that pretends
educated
to.
audience.
There's a part of it that
I think most of the
pretends.
people in this world are educated.
Most of the people.
Most of the people are educated.
No.
Okay, so
Most of the people in India are educated.
नहीं मतलब तुम्हारी audience है.
Oh yeah,
most of the people.
most of my audience is educated. इस पे कुछ नहीं कुछ बोलने वाला. इतने कम दिमाग के नहीं है तो.
बोलेंगे तो कम से कम प्यार भी मिलेगी तुम्हें थोड़ी तो then you can buy me dinner or like send money for dinner.
Send money for dinner. Oh, things are expensive. Let's talk about that. I
But
feel
they're
like,
not that expensive.
Okay,
Like,
my opinion is it's
London के
expensive.
comparison में तो काफी कम है.
So a coffee here is 50
45.
krona. 45 krona, which is 750 rupees.
फिर तो रुपी तो हर दिन गिरता जा रहा है. जब मैं आई थी तब 9 था 15 है almost.
That's insane. Like people don't talk about it on the internet. रुपी 9 करोड़ से 15 करोड़
मैं
हो गया।
मतलब मैं legit जब मैं आई थी 2 साल पहले तब not था 2024 में और अब 15 है तो मतलब तुम I don't
So you paid your fees when it was 9 krona. And now you're making money, it is 15 krona.
but I'm not spending in India nothing
But you can take your money and go back to India and be like 60% richer.
but I wouldn't well that doesn't work
Achha, would you want to go back to India?
no
Would you want to settle back in India after that? Why?
women's security
Let's talk about the safety aspect.
obviously like I think that's the biggest thing ki I know this is gonna get a lot of weight but I don't care but obviously like you feel कितना safe feel करते हो आप and when you remove like मेरे साथ तो ये काफी ज़्यादा हुआ because initially I've done a project here in 2018 2019 as well so I've been in this country before but it's just like that तुम्हारे दिमाग से this वो चीज़ हट जाती है कि I have to do things to ensure कि I'm safe then you have so much bandwidth to do other things.
I don't think you should get a lot of paid for that because I've heard this from almost every girl that moves out of India that especially to countries that are safe, this is also true for Dubai. That just the fact that you don't have to think about your safety.
Exactly. I don't have to think about that. And then in India, like, you know, like, obviously, you have to spend so much to live. Like, दिल्ली में अच्छी locality में रहना है, rent ज़्यादा pay करना पड़ेगा, cab लेनी पड़ेगी, इतने बजे निकल सकते हो, अच्छी जगह खाने जाना पड़ेगा. Do you have to spend so much more to genuinely feel safe? And यहाँ पे I don't have to do that. Like, I don't have to look. Obviously, बुरे लोग हर जगह होते हैं, but एक sense of safety जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा है. And I think that is the biggest thing for me. I think and people are genuinely nice here. Like no one has the time to like bullshit around people. But if they want to spend time with you, they will. If they do not want to, they will be upfront. You don't have to kiss people's asses.
But that's also a very Scandinavian thing.
That is both of them are like super Scandinavian thing.
Yeah, those are very Scandinavian things where people will be very on your face, blunt. If they want to, they would. If they don't want to, they would.
And it's not necessarily looked as like a bad thing. It's
Yeah,
just
yeah.
like you're being honest. Be honest.
But that's their culture,
yeah.
in which we are not used to.
Not at all.
We're not used to that. I think in terms of long-term aspect, how long did you get the visa for? Because there is some confusion there. Because the student that I met yesterday at Aarhus University got a 3-year visa to finish their 2-year degree. Plus, they got a 3-year post-study work visa. So basically, 6-year visa.
That's pretty different. Was it in one go?
No, so they got a 3-year visa and then they will get to renew it for 3 more years.
That is not how that happened for me.
But they're also from Pakistan. I don't know if that
doesn't-
that shouldn't make a difference.
That I have a Pakistan friend.
He has the same.
He has the same thing as I do.
Okay, ठीक है. So
So maybe ऐसा हो सकता है. What year is she in?
she is in her 2nd year actually. Same with you.
Same. तो ये अलग क्यों है? I don't know. Maybe university पे depend करता होगा. Maybe I don't know.
I think university पे depend करता होगा and also course पे शायद depend करता होगा कि उसमें कितने credits हैं. Anyhow,
हो सकता है. हाँ.
so you're getting a 2-year post-study work visa and you've already gotten a 5-year visa.
I have a permit active 2029. Yeah, 5.
You applied in 2024. So you get a 5-year visa. Is 5 years में you have to look for a permanent sponsored job.
I don't need to look for a There's no sponsorship in Denmark.
There's no sponsorship in Denmark.
ऐसा नहीं होता कि it's just like you get a specific type of like resident permit if you like.
Blue card.
Not तो बहुत complicated कर दिया अभी तो
Okay.
मेरे दिमाग में
Okay,
cut
sorry. No, don't cut it. Break it down. Me, a dumb person,
No,
and
you're
my
not a
audience,
dumb
a smart
person.
person, does not understand. Please explain it to us.
Okay, I'm also trying to like explain it to myself. So obviously when you apply, when I applied, I didn't know कि 3 years extension होगा है जिसमें job and like you can work full time. So I got a permit until for 5 years and then obviously अगर तुम 5 साल के बाद you want to stay back, there is like a salary threshold that you should have.
Any idea how much it is?
I think it is around 500,000 or something.
But that will also change with time.
With
But-
time तो मुझे नहीं अभी के हिसाब से I think कुछ ऐसा है
Okay, if it is 500,000,
which
that
is like 60 lakhs or something.
No, that's 75 lakhs. बढ़िया है बहुत ज़्यादा.
तो मैं 9 पे
Indian-
चल रही हूँ.
Indian rupee बहुत depreciate हो गया. अच्छा, anyhow, 500,000 is 40,000 krona per month. Is that hard to get?
Maybe. Depends.
But 3 साल काम कर ही होगे.
Obviously
country
तब
में.
नहीं.
तब नहीं होना चाहिए hard to get. Okay, so you're making that salary, and then you get a sponsorship. And how quickly can you get a residence permit?
Around 4 to 5 years.
4 to 5 years.
हाँ. अगर
Eight
तुम्हें
नहीं है?
डेनिश अगर तुमने डेनिश सीख ली है एंड तुम्हारी थ्रेशोल्ड आई थिंक देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ फास्ट ट्रैक इफ यू हैव लाइक अ डेनिश पार्टनर और समथिंग तब बढ़ जाता है. आई आल्सो
Fast track हो जाता है, so you can get it
obviously
quicker.
like, if you show like you have no Danish ties then obviously
So the more different process होगा, we can make a
Subtle.
video about that as
हाँ,
well.
मतलब, I think it's also like salary threshold to get a cut.
Okay, but so it goes from 4 and worst to worst 8. Do I still need to learn Danish for 8 as well?
Obviously.
So
You're not gonna get it if you don't know Danish.
So eventually, if you want to come to this country, you have to learn the language.
Yeah.
Let's talk about the language. How hard is it?
Super hard.
Super hard.
I'm not gonna.
You don't have to learn.
No, I'm not gonna be like, oh, it's
Oh.
interesting, lovely. Time लगता है.
एकदम 100% honest. It's very hard.
Time लगता है. But नहीं, it is hard.
I
Yeah.
think you were learning another language when you were in Delhi.
Was that?
Were you not doing Duolingo पे एक language?
Danish.
Danish ही सीख रहे थे तब भी. सच्ची. I somehow thought she was learning German at that time.
Nein.
Nein. Is that Danish? Can you say something in Danish? Hey, there might be my audience, someone who understands Danish. She's been bullshitting around me speaking in Danish
I
since the
love
morning.
you. Obviously, you deserve it. It's like, hi, jeg er Helga Pallavi. Jeg kommer fra Indien.
I feel like sometimes I'm asking.
Guten Tag. Guten Morgen. Hola, amigos.
Partition.
What is Fatishin?
Shiktas.
Oh, that's Kashmiri. Fatishin क्या होता है? Shikas is a Kashmiri word.
I do. कुछ और मुझे याद आ गया. मैं
Tracking.
multilingual brain. It's like.
So eventually, overall, if you have to rank it out of 10, your decision to move to Denmark, very honestly.
8.5.
Where are you letting go of the 1.5?
My language. See, I need to learn the language to feel more comfortable. But that's it. But that's it.
Or कुछ भी मतलब someone who's coming who should know.
Who, or like I would rate for other people to move,
Yeah.
or I was rating it for myself.
Okay, for other people to move.
For other people to move, I think only move in when you're like पूरा 100% sure what it entails. Do your research.
But what does it take?
जो सब मैंने बताया और आप भी जो research करके आपको पता चलेगा, because a lot of no's for me might, a lot of yeses for me might be no's for you. तो वो सब लेके हो. I would say I would definitely, for women, a 10 out of 10.
What about like
Yeah.
religion wise?
Religion wise, it's like, यहाँ पे people don't really like talk about religion. Like, religion is not at all, like, people don't like talking about it. That is something which is very personal. Obviously, Islamophobia is on the rise everywhere.
But we just came across an entire
Yeah.
rally,
Rally.
Palestine rally.
That is, obviously, you can take part in, like, you know, all of these rallies. People are very much supportive of whatever you believe.
But like, I feel like it was like a Palestine rally, which I've seen all across the world, but somehow always seen only Muslims be a part of those rallies.
Okay. But it wasn't the case here.
It wasn't the case here.
Yeah.
I would say like 60-70% with non-Muslims. Well, जो inherently
People of
Muslims
color.
नहीं. No. People of no color.
The people of color were like 40%.
People of no. Like even people who had scars and like look Muslims. Anyway, let's not get into that.
Yeah,
but, the
terminology में
point,
नहीं जाते.
but the point is, it just felt like very inclusive.
Yeah, it is. Like,
it felt like a lot of Danes were in the
Yeah.
protest.
Yeah.
Not only people
Like,
who
it
come from
is
other
like
countries.
obviously ऐसा नहीं है कि there are not like racist people, which are everywhere. But I think Copenhagen is a very,
India से ज़्यादा racism का हो.
Good question. Good job. Answer.
इंडिया से ज्यादा रेसिज्म
हाँ मतलब हम लोग तो अपने लोगों के लिए साथ ही है, but I have like a like people from northeast or like people from down south, people from up north. I'm from UP.
I don't know इंडिया में रेसिज्म किस सिटी के लिए नहीं है.
तुम यूपी से हो, तुम लगती तो नहीं है, तुम बात तो नहीं करती. हमने मैं पान अपना थूक आती.
Okay, interesting.
I think it's like it's not the worst.
Yeah,
It could make so much like it's not the US.
it's not the US, 100%.
It's not the US. People are super nice.
Why do you think not a lot of students are coming here?
Because I think they don't market themselves also like that. They also don't believe, they don't need it as well. So, because most of the state and public universities are like state funded and all of that, so उनको नहीं पड़ती है ज़रूरत है. When they don't market themselves, I haven't seen like a poster or anything like. I initially remember one of the counselors like long time back when I had like mentioned to them about the academy. They obviously pivoted me to UAL or something like that, but I was just neg enough. Thank you so much. So obviously they don't like. I know my unitors, and I don't think Copenhagen University also.
There's also very less information about it on the internet.
I think so, because इतने internationals आते भी नहीं हैं.
लेते भी नहीं है होंगे.
लेते भी नहीं है और क्योंकि इनके पास क्योंकि the thing is that कि whenever you do a bachelor's in a certain university here, you already get a spot in the masters.
Oh, that's very interesting. They have a lot of days doing masters because
Yeah.
that's not the case with almost any country in the world. Because the UK में तुमने bachelor's कर ली, more or less तुम्हें job मिल जाएगी. Bachelor's के बाद no masters required. So masters in UK, you'll barely find British people doing masters.
यहाँ पे बहुत like everyone does it. Like it's super like I have to say like Danes are one of the most well-read people. They're super aware about the Indian caste system, which I had no
Wow.
idea. They are taught that in school.
Wow.
Yeah, and whenever I've like gone to like multiple like dinners or something like that, I know like a couple of days like asked me about the Indian census, and they were like so aware about the fact that it's going to be like 6 million people are doing a census, and then they were like, it's the population of Denmark, so the whole Denmark is doing India's census, and I'm just like, I don't know. I'm going to go and check it out. And I'm like, shit, like so aware, like they don't.
The interesting thing was in Aarhus University, the university that I visited yesterday, only 6 international students and rest 34 Danish students
In one course, right?
in one course.
Yeah, quite possible.
That's insane. All these British universities, American universities, they struggle to find their own locals to do the course.
Yeah, it's also kind of expensive, right?
Yeah, यहाँ पे they get paid.
Yeah.
That can also be why.
It's also like it's a social system that actually works. You're paying those high taxes for a reason.
and they actually work as
They
well.
did actually works for people. तो कौन नहीं करेगा? मतलब it's you get all the support from the government. You get a student bond, which is cheap. You're getting SU.
You're thinking of doing a PhD after this?
Fingers crossed.
Maybe.
Good.
But can we talk a bit about PhD with whatever you know?
Like whatever. I think it's for 3 years at least in my field.
Very hard to get spotted.
Obviously, and it's also like PhDs are tough.
PhDs
They
are tough.
yeah.
And you get paid insane.
You get paid it's also like in
What about in your place?
in my field. So obviously in the academy, I don't want other people to do PhD here, so cut this. No, they can do it. I was like, मैं बता दूंगी पैसे तो सब लोग करना चाहेंगे. मुझे नहीं चाहिए.
Okay, it's just a lot of money. Let's not get into how much money it is.
But
But
I
it
can
is-
tell for others, like DTU mates like
30,000 krona.
30,000 or 40,000 krona.
40,000 krona मतलब 6 lakh रुपए per month.
But Indian rupees में आप इसकी तरह calculate करोगे तो खर्चा याद रखना कि
My entire audience does everything in Indian rupees. Like,
but
there's
यहाँ खर्चे तो
exactly. So you have to understand कि अगर तुम यहाँ पे 6 लाख रुपए कमा भी रहे हो,
तो
कॉफी 750 रुपए की है, हेयर कट 300 krona का फर्म है, 300 4,500 ka haircut. And what about your haircut? Which looks amazing for the amount of money that she has paid.
I haven't gone for one. I'm going next week.
Next week. Like, I don't think you need a haircut.
Shut up.
honestly.
No, I want to.
How much is it?
1400 krona.
1,400 krona.
बट ठीक है, साल में एक बार करा रहे हो, अगर 100 krona भी बचा लोगे अपने हेयर कट के लिए तो okay, shut up, Murad.
I won't go to India for that much.
Why would I go to India to get my haircut? It's gonna be even more expensive.
How much is a haircut in India for women?
फ्लाइट टिकट क्यों नहीं आती? ये बहुत ही हो गया कि हम इंडिया जाके करा लेंगे।
देखो 1,400 krona is 22,000
तो साल में
rupees.
एक बार ही तो बाहर मेरे कट होते हैं ना। I deserve that. तुम लोगों की तरह थोड़ी हर महीने कटाएंगे।
Okay, 21,000 rupees के लिए मतलब you save up on like 4-5 things that you want to get done. Fly to India.
I think I'm good.
I would do that.
I know you would do that. I would. My time is really important. उसमें मैं वो पैसे कमा लूंगी।
My time isn't. Honestly, I don't think my time is important. I spent like last 1 week in another country to make videos and I still don't get the subscribe. Like,
So bad, you guys. Come on, ऐसे थोड़ी support नहीं करते लोग।
imagine मतलब कितना मेहनत करना पड़ता है.
मतलब मैं इसको follow करती हूँ। मैं out of all the people.
Denmark में बैठ के she supports me and still you guys don't support me. Imagine you have watched this video for 30 minutes and you still don't feel like
Shit,
subscribing.
ये 30 minutes हो गया था।
It's 37 minutes actually. No?
By the way, guys, just so you know, मैंने मुराद को इतने होते हुए देखा है, तो I know what he's up
मैं अभी भी इन ही हूँ. And you know what I realized? She's grown taller than me.
I have, which is so weird. I love this.
I was taller than her.
I know. How did I grow tall?
या तो मैं बोना हो गया थोड़ा.
मुझे भी लग रहा है तुम्हें. This is so funny. Ciao.
Thank you so much for taking out the time.
Thank you so much for coming.
I तो came for these people and these people don't even subscribe. But no, I actually came to visit her, meet her.
That I'm still not able to digest on a very serious note, but I'm really happy you did.
I'm a good person.
Yeah.
You've known me since 10 years now. थोड़ा तो मतलब. Hey, so now the video has ended, guys. But in general, you have seen my growth.
I have
phase.
videos of you.
You have seen me when I was,
I have seen you in 31 years.
yes, probably. I don't even know what to ask, but like,
तो मुझे लग रहा है ज़्यादा पोल को.
for my audience,
Yeah, go for it.
what do you think has changed in Murad since?
I think you've always been a very smart kid.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
मुझे नहीं पता था. I know.
I think you've become more grounded. I
I've
think
always been grounded.
no, you were grounded, but you were very. At least you were very quick to judge the social arts.
Yeah, I was. That's true.
That is something I'm gonna say. Like, but that's not on you. It's fine. Like that's how the world works. But I think you've become more grounded. I think, and that is part of your growth and your journey, and that's part of you being more mature. So definitely that. But you've always been smart. Don't know how that happened.
Subscribe तो तब भी नहीं मिला था. इतना बोल के भी subscribe नहीं मिला.
दे दो भैया इसको सब्सक्राइब रोएगा वरना भी.
And if you बस यार वो कुछ भी नहीं subscribe कर देना. You want help with study abroad application? Go to the description, fill the form. My team will reach out to you,
Yeah.
or you can also connect with me. There is a link there to connect with me. और कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे आप एंड पे?
नहीं.
नहीं. Thank you so much for watching
Thank you
this
so much.
video, guys.
Oh, I did have that thing to say. Denmark is actually not for
Everyone.
yes.
Yeah. Why do you say so?
I don't want to get into it. Bye. खुद research करने ज़्यादा better है.
Ciao, bye. नहीं, basically Denmark is not for someone who is not ready to put in the efforts. अगर तुम्हें लग रहा है कि जॉब तुम्हारे पास चल कर आएगी, नहीं आने वाली. अगर तुम लोग लग रहा है कि अपॉर्चुनिटीज चल कर आएंगी, दोस्त चल कर आएंगे, नहीं आने वाले. Until and unless you come out of your comfort zone, कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला.
पर वो लाइफ का रूल है.